Hello everyone, welcome back to Optitude. In today's video, we are diving into an KIRIT 5.0. It is the ultimate national case analysis competition, which is organized by the Kirloskar Institute of Management. So we are going to discuss all the details about this competition. So what is eligible criteria, who can apply for this, and what are all the competition structure, and what the benefits that you will be getting, what is the price and the rewards that you will be getting. Each and everything I discussed in this video. So watch this video till the end. So before moving ahead, if you are new to this channel, so make sure to subscribe to our channel. So where you will get the content which is totally related to the job openings, internship openings, free courses, hackathons, scholarships, and a lot more content uploaded in this channel. So make sure to subscribe to our channel. Now let's start the video. So first off, let's talk about what is the KIRIT 5.0 competition is all about. So this is a prestigious intercollegiate competition. It is a platform for the young managerial mind to analyze and solve real world business challenges which is faced by the organizations. So it is a unique opportunity for undergraduates across India to showcase the critical thinking, problem solving, and also presentation skills. So the event is proudly supported by the Kirloskar group companies like Kirloskar Institute Limited and Industries Limited, Kirloskar Oil Engine Limited, and more. So making it a high stake, high impact competition. Now let's talk about eligibility criteria and the team formation. So here is what who can participate in this. So the full-time undergraduate students from all the disciplines like BTech, BBA, BCom, BSc, etc. So each team must have exactly 3 members from the same institute. So the team with at least one female member are given preference, but it's not mandatory. So cross department and the cross year teams are allowed, and also but not cross institute teams, right? I repeat, cross department and cross year teams are allowed in this competition, but not cross institute teams. So one participant can only be a part of one team, and there is no cap on how many teams can participate from one college, right? So make sure your all registration details are accurate to avoid the disqualifications, and remember, decision regarding the eligibility and the rules lies solely with the organization committee of KIM. Okay, now let's talk about the competition structure. So what are the rounds that we do have in the KIRIT 5.0 competition? So it is having a 4 thrilling rounds. Now the first round is all about the online assessment, where it is a 30-minute online quiz to test a general awareness, logical reasoning, and the quantitative ability. So all the team members can attempt individually, and the team score will be averaged on the results. The round 2, we have a case submission. The shortlisted teams will receive a detailed case study to analyze and submit the solutions in the two format. A Word document, it is a max of 2500 words, and a plagiarism checked, right? A PowerPoint presentation 8 to 10 slides, where the submission must be uploaded on time, and only one submission per team is allowed in this competition. The round 3, we do have an on-ground semi-final. The top 12 teams will represent the analysis in the person at the KIM Harihara campus, Karnataka. So only 8 teams will be advanced to their final round. The round 4 we do have is on-ground final round. So finalists will present their solutions to industry leaders at the KIM Pune campus. So the jury will evaluate the presentation, which is based on the clarity, feasibility, creativity, and also presentation skills. Now let's talk about the prizes and the rewards that you will be getting. So the winning team will get a 1 lakh and the pre-placement interview opportunity. The runner-up team will get a 75,000 participation certificate for all the teams as well. So, and here is the best part, that is KIM will cover the travel, food, and accommodation for the semi-finalist and the finalist. So you get an incredible experience with a zero hassle. Now, why should you participate? The competition isn't just about the winning prizes, it is a chance to network with industry leaders, and also will gain a hands-on experience while solving the real-world problems, and also will boost your resume with a national recognized event. The PPI offers by the Kirloskar group companies could open the doors to lubricate your careers as well. Now here is what the important date that you need to mark down. So first, we have a registration deadline is of 31st December 2024, and the online quiz is end up with the 5th January 2025. The case submission deadline is of 16th January 2025. The semi-finals 19th February 2025 at KIM Harihara campus. The finals we have is 21st February 2025 at KIM Pune campus. Now, how to register for this? It is very simple. The link in the description box, and click on the link, you will get redirect to this page. and you can simply press on register button. So before going to press on register button, you need to create your account in Unstop. Then you can log into your account and then you can register for this competition. Or else if you do not have any account in Unstop, you need to register your account in Unstop and then you can log in and you can register for this event. And if you have any questions or about excitement about this competition, just please comment down below and I would love to hear you from that. And that's all about today's video. If you found this video helpful, so make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you will never miss any update. And I will see you in the next video with the biggest opportunity.